Here we go. We are going to classify some playing figures today, and by the end of the lesson today, you are going to be able to identify and describe different playing figures. Okay? So by the end of the lesson, that's what you're going to be able to do. Playing figures. These are playing figures. And what is a playing figure? It's a flat figure. We're talking about shapes that are flat, like you would draw, like on a piece of paper. Plain flat figure. They can be closed. They can be not closed. All of these are closed. This is a triangle, a
circle, square, rectangle.
Oh, that's just old business. We all know that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a plain figure.
That is?
That's a plain figure. And a plain figure could be open or not closed. So all that means is like these two lines, there may be a spot missing right there. That's all that means. That's easy enough. Old business. We know that. Well, what are polygons?
Oh.
What are polygons?
Oh,
Polygons are a closed plane figure that have 3 or more line segments.
Yeah.
Okay. A line segment is, think about yesterday, a line segment is a line that has a beginning and an end. A line that has a beginning and an end. And for a plane figure to be a polygon, it has to have at least, how many?
3.
3. So does this shape have at least 3 line segments?
Yeah.
Count them for me.
1, 2, 3.
And each line segment is called a side. So how many sides does this polygon have? 3. And Logan, every time we have a place where 2 sides meet, Logan, it's called a
Angle.
Ooh, it is an angle. Very good. But right here, every time they meet, we have a special word we call that. Where 2 sides meet, it's called a vertex. Everybody say that. Vertex. So how many vertices, that's how you say it if you say it plural, which means more than one, right? How many vertices does this triangle have?
2. 3.
3. Has 1, 2, 3. Is this a polygon?
Yeah.
Does it have at least 3 or more line segments, Logan? How many sides does it have?
4.
4. How many vertices does it have?
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. How about this? Is this a polygon?
Yes.
Does it have at least 3 or more sides? It has 5 sides. Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Has a special name that we're going to talk about in the next slide. But yes, this is a polygon. It has 5 sides. And how many vertices does it have, Vincent?
5.
5. 5. Very good. And this one, is this a polygon?
Yes.
It is a polygon. Ethan, do you think it is? It is. Does it have at least 3 or more sides? How many vertices does it have? 6. And how many sides does it have?
6.
Very good. And it's a special name too. But we're going to talk about that in the next slide. Very nice. So polygons can have special names. This one's called a what?
Triangle.
Again, that's old business. You know that. What about this one?
Rectangle.
A square tangle. We would call it a square most of the time. We would call it a square. It has a special name. It's called a quadrilateral. You know why it's called that? Because all 4 sides are the exact same size.
Oh, because it looks like a rectangle.
Does it from where you are?
Yeah.
It does look like a rectangle from where you are.
Yeah, it's like a rectangle. Yeah, it does.
So does a quadrilateral have to have all equal sides then?
Yes.
Probably not, because I think this side and this side's longer. What do you think?
Yeah. Yeah.
Quadrilateral is a 4-sided polygon. It can be a square. It can be a rectangle. Everybody cool with that? And it doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be this way. It can be
either way. It can be any way. It can be
going that way.
Yeah.
It can be going any way, as long as it has 4 sides. Does that make sense? Cool? Thumbs up if we're cool. Okay. Here's the 5-sided shape we saw a while ago, and somebody said, yes! Say it again.
Pentagon.
Say it really loud so we can hear you.
Pentagon!
Pentagon. And a pentagon has how many sides?
5 sides.
What's this one?
Hexagon.
Hexagon. How many sides does it have?
6.
Logan, how many sides?
6.
A hexagon has 6 sides. And this special polygon is an
octagon.
octagon. And it has 8 sides. You are so smart, I tell you. Some polygons can be regular and some polygons can be irregular. What is the difference and what makes a polygon regular? All sides are the same length in a regular polygon. So, are all sides the same length here? So that would be a regular polygon. It's a triangle, right? Okay, and it has a special name. So I know, according to this, all sides are the same length in a regular polygon. Well, this is a triangle.
That's irregular because it is different lengths.
Because each side is a different length.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, well what about this? Is this a regular polygon?
Yes.
What about this?
That's
No.
And it's, why is it irregular?
because all the sides aren't the same length.
Because all the sides are not the same length. What about this one? Is this a regular polygon?
Yes.
Logan, this one is, but is this one?
No.
Why not?
Because it doesn't have the exact same sides.
What about this one? Is it regular?
Yeah.
This.
Are all the sides the same length?
Yes.
What about this one?
No.
That's irregular because all the sides are not equal.
They're not, well,
flatter.
they're both hexagons though.
But one's flatter and one's taller, and
Yeah.
it makes it look. It makes
Different.
these lines longer.
That's right. So for a polygon to be a regular polygon, guys, every side has to be the same length, the same size. This is a polygon. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So it's a hexagon, but is it regular? It's irregular because the sides are not the same length. And same thing here. Okay, we have an octagon there. This octagon, all of the sides are the same length. Look at this.
That looks like a really weird octagon.
Yeah, all sides are not the same length. So it is
Irregular. That's very
irregular.
irregular.
Look at it upside down.
Let's practice.
It does, doesn't it? Let's practice. So very, very calmly, I want you guys to take your chairs back to your seat. And we're going to look at page 419, and we're going to work problems 1 through 7 together. That's going to be perfect. Now let's go.
Whoa, my
Go Vincent, go Vincent, go Vincent, go Vincent.
goodness.
Now, go, 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 go. Page 419, problems 1 through 7. Page 419, problems 1 through 7. Let's look at number 1 together.
What do 1 through 7?
Yes, ma'am.
1 through 7?
Oh, no. Okay, let me get you another one. You can have mine.
That is big.
All right, let's read the directions. Look at page 419. Logan, read me the directions.
Tell either which figure is a
Polygon.
If it is, write its name.
Okay, so it says tell whether each figure is a polygon. If it is, write its name. All right, Ethan, let's look at number 1. Is it a polygon? What do you think? What do you think, Vincent? Is it a polygon?
I think it is because it has 3 sides.
It's a flat shape that has at least 3 sides, does it? Okay, so yes, it's a polygon. What shape what is it called? It has a special name.
Triangle.
It's a triangle. It's a triangle.
Put triangle.
So for number 1, what are you going to write?
Triangle, yes. Triangle.
Yes, triangle. Very nice. Let's look at number 2. Very nice. Look at number 2. Raise your hand if you think that's a polygon. Is it a plane figure or is it...
It's an open figure. It's an open.
Okay, so plane figures can be open or closed, but a polygon has to have... Polygon has to have at least 3 sides. Is it a plane figure?
No.